This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay.Mitman. Nice, top floor 1-bedroom apartment. Attractive city views. 2 blocks from Center Square. Easily accessible for all events and festivals. The living room opens to the kitchen area. Nice sized bedroom with 2 closets. Coin-operated laundry room on the 2nd floor for building tenant use. Off-street parking provided. Owner looking for FICO credit scores of at least 700. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay.Mitman at 610-253-6123.